Ever been stuck on a highway with that mysterious check engine light staring back at you? Trust me, we've all been there. Having the right portable diagnostic tool can be the difference between a minor inconvenience and a ruined vacation. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 absolute best portable car diagnostic tools that belong in every traveler's toolkit. Check the description for all the links, and let's dive in. Starting at number 5, we have the Autel AL319, and honestly, this little powerhouse punches way above its weight class. What immediately caught my attention is that massive 2.8-inch color display. When you're troubleshooting in dim lighting or cramped engine bays, that screen clarity becomes a game changer. The AL319 goes beyond basic code reading with live data streaming, which means you can monitor your engine's vital signs in real time. Think of it like a heart monitor for your car. The freeze frame support is particularly clever. It captures exactly what your engine was doing when that pesky code first appeared. Perfect for intermittent issues that drive you crazy. For emissions testing, the IM readiness check ensures you won't fail your next smog test. The plug-and-play design means zero learning curve. Literally connect and diagnose within seconds. No apps, no software downloads, no complications. Here's the thing though, while the AL319 is fantastic for basic diagnostics, it won't handle advanced system resets like oil service or electronic parking brake calibration. That's where you'll need to step up to our higher-ranked tools. But for travelers who want reliable, no-nonsense diagnostics without breaking the bank, the AL319 delivers exactly what you need. It's built tough, reads codes accurately, and the large screen makes everything crystal clear. At number 4, the Launch CR529 absolutely shocked me with its value proposition. We're talking professional-grade features at a price point that won't make your wallet cry. This scanner has become legendary in automotive forums for good reason. The live data display capability is where this tool really shines. You can watch your engine parameters change in real time. Oxygen sensor readings, coolant temperature, fuel trim values, everything a professional mechanic would monitor. The multilingual support means it works worldwide, making it perfect for international travelers. What sets the CR529 apart is its freeze frame data capture. When a code triggers, it takes a snapshot of all engine conditions at that exact moment. This detective work helps you understand not just what went wrong, but why it happened. The compact handheld design fits perfectly in any travel toolkit. The code clearing function works flawlessly, and I've seen this little device diagnose issues that stumped expensive shop equipment. The build quality feels solid, not like those cheap plastic scanners that crack after a few uses. Now, the trade-off for this incredible value is limited advanced functions. You won't get bidirectional control or system programming capabilities. But honestly, for most travelers, those features are overkill anyway. The CR529 hits that sweet spot of professional capability at backpacker pricing. It's reliable, accurate, and has saved countless road trips from turning into expensive disasters. For under $40, this tool pays for itself with just one avoided mechanic visit. Number 3 brings us something truly unique, the OBDLink MX Plus Professional. This tiny device represents a completely different philosophy in diagnostic tools, and it's absolutely brilliant for frequent travelers. Here's what blew my mind. You can leave this plugged into your OBD2 port permanently. Built-in battery protection means zero risk of draining your car battery, even during extended parking. Imagine having constant access to your vehicle's diagnostics without any setup time. The dual connectivity, both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, gives you incredible flexibility. Connect with your smartphone, tablet, or laptop using your preferred method. The third-party app support opens up a world of possibilities. Torque Pro users will find this scanner particularly appealing for its advanced data logging capabilities. Professional mechanics actually use this tool because it maintains constant communication protocols that cheaper scanners can't handle. The data accuracy is exceptional, and the connection stability is rock solid, even in challenging electrical environments. The compact design, seriously, this thing is tiny, makes it perfect for motorcycle travelers or anyone dealing with tight spaces. Installation takes literally 10 seconds. The downside? At around $140, it's definitely an investment. Plus, you'll need separate apps for different functions, which can feel fragmented compared to all-in-one solutions. But for tech-savvy travelers who want professional diagnostics with smartphone convenience, the MX Plus delivers an experience that's hard to match. Its reliability and advanced features justify the premium pricing for serious automotive enthusiasts. Taking the silver medal is the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro, and this scanner revolutionizes how you think about vehicle diagnostics. The smartphone integration isn't just a gimmick, it's a genuinely superior diagnostic experience. The iOS and Android apps are incredibly intuitive. Instead of cryptic code numbers, you get plain English explanations of what's actually wrong with your car. The Repair Reports feature is pure genius. It provides detailed repair information and even cost estimates from actual repair shops in your area. What sets BlueDriver from generic Bluetooth scanners is its ability to read manufacturer-specific codes. We're talking about the same diagnostic information that dealership technicians access. ABS codes, airbag codes, transmission issues, this scanner handles them all through your smartphone's familiar interface. The live data streaming transforms your phone into a professional diagnostic display. Monitor dozens of engine parameters simultaneously, create custom dashboards, and even record data logs for later analysis. The continuous updates means your scanner gets smarter over time. The compact Bluetooth design means you can literally forget it's there. Leave it plugged in, connect whenever needed, and diagnose issues in seconds. Perfect for travelers who want professional capabilities without carrying extra hardware. The potential drawback is smartphone dependency. If your phone battery dies or you lose cellular signal, you're limited. Some users also find the subscription model for advanced functions annoying. However, for travelers who want dealership-level diagnostics with smartphone convenience, BlueDriver represents incredible value and capability in an amazingly portable package. And our #1 champion, the XTOOL D8S 2025 upgraded. This isn't just a diagnostic tool, it's like having a complete automotive workshop in your travel bag. The bidirectional control capability sets this apart from everything else on our list. You can actually perform active tests, activate components, and even reprogram ECU settings. Think bleeding ABS brakes, cycling cooling fans, or programming new key fobs. Functions that typically require expensive dealership visits. That 10-inch Android tablet interface provides an incredibly professional experience. The touchscreen response is smooth, the graphics are clear, and navigation feels intuitive. The 40+ reset functions cover everything from simple oil service reminders to complex steering angle calibrations. The 2025 upgrade includes DOIP and CAN-FD protocol support, meaning it works with the absolute latest vehicles. While other scanners struggle with 2023-2025 models, the D8S communicates flawlessly. The wireless connectivity eliminates cable hassles entirely. For professional mechanics or serious automotive enthusiasts, the ECU programming capabilities are game-changing. You can perform dealer-level programming and coding functions that typically cost hundreds of dollars per service. The reality check? This professional capability comes with professional pricing. We're talking about a significant investment, and the learning curve is steeper than plug-and-play alternatives. But for travelers who demand the absolute best diagnostic capabilities, who work on multiple vehicles, or who want future-proof technology, the D8S represents the pinnacle of portable automotive diagnostics. Whether you need basic code reading or professional system programming, these 5 tools cover every budget and skill level. Check those description links for current pricing and availability. Happy diagnosing and safe travels, everyone!